Saan may isa lang bite.
We're trying kunafa chocolate, so you don't have to. So, we have 3 types of kunafa chocolate. Kunafa Dubai chocolate from Day to Day, the Dubai Fix chocolate from Gold Souk, and the legit Fix kunafa chocolate.
Okay.
So, na-try na namin to 2 days ago.
And nakalimutan na namin yung lasa niya.
And
We're
ito-
going to try it again.
Nakapon lang. And kakompare na namin siya sa legit. Ay.
Nakatawa kayo.
So, labas muna natin everything, everybody. Ano to? Ito?
This one.
Ah, okay. Guys, may color to color din siya. Ito yung day to day.
Tapos tignan nyo gano'n lang yung kunafa niya sa loob. So tiny.
And this one, the gold soup.
Medyo marami naman siya.
Let's have it.
Let's try.
OMG! Guys, ang hirap na itong makuha kasi online lang talaga.
Tapos parang ayaw namin tikman kasi kwan.
Ipakita mo sa order.
Ayaw pala.
Parang ang hirap niya hanapin.
Ano yung difference ng isang fix?
This is the...
That's the fake one.
Yeah, ito yung fake from Gold Soup. Although, alam naman namin fake siya, but we wanted to try. So, the difference in packaging, ito talaga, may pagka-glossy yung fix. Tapos, andito sa side yung name ng flavor ng chocolate. Ito, wala. Sabi
What's
lang
the
niya,
flavor of this?
enjoy a unique experience. Talaga namang unique, guys.
Unforgettable experience. Oh, sige nga, try
Unboxing
natin.
na girl.
Oh, hindi to pwede sa mga kwan. Kasi
Nuts.
dairy, gluten, nuts, and sesame yung lagay niya. So, kung kayo ay may allergy, this is not for you guys.
Allergy of...
Allergy of nuts. Dairy, gluten, sesame. So, we're trying to open it na,
Good
guys!
for us, we're not allergic to anything.
Oh my God.
So,
Nagkatangan niya rin ako.
pagtatabihin namin.
Ito, pinadeliver namin sa International City, Dubai.
Dahil...
Kasi, there's no available delivery here in there. Oh my God, look at that, it's so big. The difference of the sizes of each kunafas. Oh my God.
Tsaka yung color niya iba, yung food
Look at
coloring niya.
that!
Oh, okay.
Gold soup, legit.
Very kwan. Oh my God, the color is like really fake.
Crack ko na.
Sige, do it. Boosh.
Oh,
Ah,
guys.
okay.
Oh my, it's
Amazing.
overflowing. Look at that.
Parang ano...
It's like taki of baby.
Ay, ako na.
Yan ang overflowing.
Oh
Okay,
my
guys.
God.
Everyone take a piece of the chocolate.
Oh my Lord.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, okay. So soft din siya talaga.
Yes. May 70 dirhams. In peso.
I don't know.
70...
1.5. 1.6.
1.6.
Oh my gosh.
Ay, tama ba?
Very much expensive, my friend.
1.6 is 100.
I washed my hands.
I was...
So that is like around 1.3. 1,300 for that one bar. Oh gosh. So expensive. Let me try.
Let's try.
Good ang panapa.
Really?
Tasty siya.
Oh my God.
Iba yung taste?
You can feel the crunch.
This you can really taste everything. The sesame, the nuts, the kunafa. Oh my God.
Different talaga.
It's so yum yum yum. Ang sarap.
Ano yung taste nito? Yung tinikman nyo, yung sa ano?
Wala masarap sa kanila. Like now you taste the real one. Like you really cannot compare with these two.
Yeah. Very good.
Yung chocolate niya iba. Ito kasi masyadong milky.
Parang
From
M&M.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. This tastes like M&M.
Tapos yung kunafa na ito iba.
Masarap.
Okay. Good to know, Fix Dubai.
Yum 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 yum.
Akala ko naman is pang-hype lang talaga yung ano, yung mga nagre-review.
No, it's not.
Pero
It's,
masarap
it's
pala
really
talaga.
like this. Oh, I think this is more tasty if it's in one. We freeze it and taste it again tomorrow. Kasi the chocolate already melted.
Yeah. Pero trivia lang guys, the kunafa on its own is already good. We had kunafa dessert on our second
Sana
day
yung isa? Para ipakita mo yung...
when we ate at Amandi restaurant. Yeah.
Ang sarap.
You see? The texture, the size, the chocolate and the kunafa.
It's really different. Like this is so like olive green. This is I don't know.
What
It's green. Parang
Parang
nanganak to, ito na yun.
Oh my
Masarap,
God.
masarap.
So good.
Wala talaga. That's why it's so hype. Because it's like this, it makes me crazy.
But why very expensive, my
mahal.
friend?
Yeah.
It's always out of stock din.
Mm-mm. Kaya, they start delivering 2 p.m. We ordered ko agad.
And you can only order
Tikman ko ulit
2 o'clock until 7 p.m. That's the cut-off time.
Okay.
Yung picture mo yun.
Ang sarap. Patigin mo ay amad.
Ay,
Yum,
oh.
yum.
Ay, wala siya. Umbis siya.
Tikman
Tomorrow.
mo ulit si day to day.
Sumarap na ba? Nag-change na yung ano niya? Lasa?
What is it?
Parang mas closer
Mas
si
na-
day to day kaysa kay Kutsuk.
Kasi bulso.
Sa na.
Ito. Tapos yung kulay din ng kunafa nito is a little bit closer to this.
No, this is the legit one.
Ah, hindi pala.
Oo,
Ito
kasi
si day
tignan
to
mo
day.
yung ano niya.
Ito. Ito si Gulso.
Yeah.
Kutsuk.
Ito si Day to Day.
Yung maliit.
So yeah guys, Bili nga kayo, pasabay na kayo.
Oo.
For only a minimum fee of.
Wala na, uuwi na kayo eh.
Wala na pala,
Paano?
uwi na pala kami. So, for
Personal
ano na lang, personal consumption yung nabili namin. Sorry guys. Bye!